In today's video, I'm going to teach you custom modules tutorial for Zoho CRM. We'll build a brand new module from scratch, give it a clear name, add a date field, set its placement and permissions, and preview the results so you know exactly what to expect. Start in Zoho CRM on the Dashboards page. From here, click the Setup gear to open the admin area. In the left sidebar, go to Customization and choose Modules and Fields. This is where all module structure lives, including custom ones. Click Create New Module. You'll see options for different module types. For this walkthrough, choose Organization Modules so the records live at the organization level, then click Next to open the module builder. At the top, click the placeholder title that says Untitled and rename it to Jobs. Clear, consistent names make searching and reporting much easier later on. After renaming, click Save so the new module name is locked in. Now, let's tune the fields. On the layout, open the three-dot menu on a field to customize it. Use this menu to rename labels, set mandatory fields, adjust data types, or remove items you don't need. Work through each field the same way using its three-dot menu so the layout matches your process and terminology. If you want broader options like layout rules or related lists, open the Module Settings panel to access those controls. Next, add a new field. From the Components panel, drag the Date field into the main layout area and drop it where it belongs. Give the field a clear name, such as Job Date or Target Start, so it's obvious to your team what should be entered. When you're satisfied, click Save to commit that field to the layout. Set where this module appears in the navigation by choosing the Root category. Categories help you group modules. Root places it at the top level. For access, select the standard permission to begin with. You can come back later to fine-tune profiles and sharing rules as your needs evolve. Click Save again to apply those choices. To verify everything, click Preview. This shows exactly how the module will look to users, including the fields and layout you configured. If it all looks good, close the preview. That's it. You created a Jobs module, customized the fields, added a date, set its category and permissions, and previewed the result. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.